No, you don't have 1v1. You don't have the right. I was the best on the team. You were the shit of the team. So get a little smarter, work a little harder, do me a favor, and eat your fucking Halo disc, because you might be better at that.
Yeah, I am Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger want to be friends with Insidious Norton.
I thought a lot of rage quit. That's why I send you a friend request, because I love rage quit so much. And Michael's so stupid. He's so fucking stupid. That's why I wanted to see if he could add me as a friend, and I would see how bad.
Yeah, I'll have a Whopper, large fries, and give me a Dr. Pepper with that.
Hey, what's up, Yoink? You're an awesome dude on YouTube, and I thought you'd be an awesome friend on the Xbox, so I'd love it if you became my friend and we could play online matches on whatever game you want.
That right there is a prime example of what to do. He gets to the point, doesn't aggravate me. Good job. Request accepted.
I love chocolate. Just love chocolate, man. Chocolate all day, chocolate all night. I love chocolate. I want to fuck chocolate. Fuck chocolate, jack off. Chocolate is my best friend. It's not your best friend. All your best friends are strawberry and vanilla. My best friend is chocolate. Nothing but chocolate. I'm chocolate hyper.
Play with you in the previous game. Thanks for playing with us. Sorry, both our teammates quit. Otherwise, we would have done better. But I love your name, man. It's just hysterical. Really made me and my friend laugh. Anyway, good game. Can you please accept this? It'll make my day. I'll be happy. I'll smile inside. I'm not trying to be funny. Because I'm not funny. I saw you on a video. No. Fuck. Boners?
Dumb piece of shit. I don't know how many cocks are up your asshole. If I ever see you in one of my games again, I'm gonna fucking boot your ass so hard, your parents will feel it. Speaking of your parents, why don't you go tell them that you're out of your crib and running wild?